Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be installing Windows NT 4.0 on VirtualBox using this virtual machine. It's set to 3.51, so I'm actually going to delete that one. So a new one, Windows NT 4, So I'm just gonna install first. I gotta go to settings, storage, choose a disk file. Do I not have? I forgot to get the ISO itself, the most important part. Okay, let's get it. That site was called, was hosted by Endermanch. Thanks to him, I could get the video working. Well, now let's wait. Alright, we got our Windows NT installation ISO. Now we're gonna slap it onto the virtual machine. Mike's not working. It's working, don't worry. Oh yes, can clearly detect it. Okay. That's my heart beating. Listen. Heart's beating so much. Probably because people might not like my video I'm making. Yeah, there's definitely something going on there. Let me put the mic back. Enter. See. Alright, page. I actually have page down this time. Function F8. Oh no. F8. See if there's an option for laptop. We'll just do standard. That matches it. Yes. Fat file system. Oh, this doesn't have quick format. Oh no. I guess when I edit the video, I will put transitions to skip this part. Yes, I finally got a video editor. This is going to be my first edited video. I don't have... Okay, so I'm going to remove. keyboard arrow. There we go. Oh, what begins? Set. Oh. Hello. Hello. Oh, why is there 2 mouse cursors? Oh. Okay. Who cares? I just want to. Okay. And then we'll do custom name. Okay. And also sorry for a mistake on my YouTube channel title. I didn't know the actual how to spell the name of my cat. Organization. You probably already know what I'm going to type. Yeah. Computer name. YouTube. Password. Type in the very secure password. No, I don't have blank floppy disk image. We'll include everything in this. Everything. My heart. Listen to this. Listen to my heart. Did you hear that? Alright. It's preparing. I don't even have. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I mean, if you can. Oh my god. I am so sorry. I mean, if you can. I mean, if you can see that, you're good. I do not live in London. I'm not gonna even live. Thank God you can't read these, so I won't give out my real location. Yeah. Okay. Hello. I can't wait to freaking edit. It's gonna be so fun to edit. It's gonna be so fun when this is done, so I can finally edit. remove. Let's start. Alright. I mean, that's about it. So, I don't want to actually press Control Alt Delete on my computer because, well, you know. So, input keyboard, insert Control Alt Delete. I'll enter my super secure password. There you go. Alright. I think we got Roland here.
Hey! Eric, look.
What?
I cancel your,
The foam.
phone. Hey!
Yeah, I have a cat. Bam. Shut down. Bam, boom. Keep power off. Well, if you could see that, congratulations. You made it. So, I'm gonna switch. So, yeah, bye. I'm gonna edit. So after this, I'm gonna start it. So I'm gonna stop recording this video and I'm gonna edit. Bye.